Hello guys, so not too long ago, in the last few minutes ago, I just see one breaking news from Fabrizio Romano on Christian Mosquera. So I'm going to find out, say there's a breaking news that Arsenal have agreed personal terms with Christian Mosquera. So that means we see remain now a club to club discussion. So this news never reached 1 hour. It gets like 24 minutes ago when I come to record this video. Now there's a break-in. Arsenal have fully agreed personal terms with the centre-back Christian Mosquera. New proposal is set to be submitted very soon. After the opening bid of 14 million euros has been rejected by Valencia, Arsenal hope to get the deal done for fee in excess of 20 million euros. Talks are on the way between all parties involved. Now, you see, there is contradiction now. Yesterday, Schira, they let us know, say Arsenal already offer a second bid of about 22 million euros. You get. Even the London Living Standard reported that story and gave attribution to Schira. I think Schira or Alfredo Pendula. I can't remember the name they used. But see Fabrizio Romano now coming today, a few minutes ago, he talks say Arsenal are about to make the second bid. Now, it could be that the two of them are saying the truth. Maybe Schira they ahead because Schira from your report is Arsenal already agreed personal terms. It could be that it's the truth, or maybe not Fabrizio Romano will talk true. Well, more the watch in the coming days we will see I go be. But because of say Fabrizio Romano don't get name in the industry, most people are going to take what Fabrizio Romano has said as the gospel truth and ignore Schira. But the Coco be say Arsenal don't agree personal terms with player, which means the plea where Gaia will be the captain of Valencia, they beg Mosquera, say no go, stay here, make you develop, go need you. That play fell on deaf ears. So Baba don't accept personal terms, which means he's really interested in joining Arsenal. So if Arsenal gets this deal done, that means we'd already get like 4 players down, bang, to solve some problems. Get once we get this one, that means everywhere runs 2. Even though we've not gotten the A targets, the priority targets we are looking for, then the other positions, so we also want to fix that. We recognize we have a problem there. Arsenal are very proactive and looking for opportunities to fix those problems. So at the end of the day, once this one enter, that's 4 down and many more to go. So we'll just watch. Anyhow, with the team, they go. If they get more clarity or get more breaking news, I go break and give you now. All right, guys. Happy Sunday as well.